Hello, today we're going off to Lough Boora. It's a recreational park in the Midlands of Ireland. It's a cool place to go. If you've never been, I suggest you get in your car or your bike or whatever and get down there. It's a real nice spot. So there is walks, cycling, cafes, there is bike hire. You can take your own bike. You could spend the day there if you wanted to, no trouble. Anyway, if you fancy that, have a look at the website, Lough Boora Parklands, and that'll tell you all about it. Just one thing before we go, an unusual fact. I think it was one of the most significant archaeological finds ever in Ireland, and it was because they found that 6,000 plus years ago, people were hunting in the Midlands and they found remnants of that out on the bog. It's not there now, but anyway, it's well worth having a look. So get yourself together, get off there and see what you think of it. It's Boora Parklands, County Offaly, Ireland. Okay, now apart from that, if you like what I'm doing, give us a thumbs up, share with your mates, hit the subscribe button. If you've not done it, then just do it. It'll only take you a minute, please. And if you've already done it, thanks a million. We'll speak to you soon, but before we start the video, let's roll that intro. Okay, so I'm glad you can be back out with me. So today we're staying fairly local again. We're going to Lough Boora. You may or may not know, but I have been struggling a bit with the mic and camera just to get a real decent picture synced with a decent mic. So I know I've used this mic before and it's worked fairly well. First thing I've got to do is stop shouting, but yeah, I have used it before. It's worked really well and I just need to get back to that place, which I'm sure we will do. R356. There we have it, Boora, B-O-O-R-A. Carry on along this road, we'll end up in Tullamore. Lough Boora Discovery Park. But it's quite empty. I thought it'd be full.